Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, the Euro dollar this morning, I was saying possibly was going to go up and make a wave C, and this was going to be an ABC correction, but obviously that failed. I think we need to disregard this big spike that we had yesterday from the fake news event about Powell, and we had to say that there still has not been a break of structure and that the daily time frame is still down. We are starting to push beyond the 61%. I mean, there is a possibility that this does just keep on going down because the fact that this right here is obviously a trend, I would actually be looking at anything I see to the upside right now as possibly nothing more than a correction to the last move down. If this move down right here was actually like one, two, three waves down, then I would say, oh, that's like a wave B or a wave two, and it's going to go back up. But it's not. The move down is an impulsive trend. That makes a big difference right there. That tells me that the trend is still down and that this probably is going to continue down, maybe to the 78% and beyond. So, otherwise, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxwebcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.